A whole series is a special application of the whole wizard. It can only be accessed in the assembly environment. Because of this, it does fall into the category of assembly features, but it behaves quite differently than any other type of assembly feature. Although a whole series whole is added at the assembly level, it does appear at the part level as well. I'll show you what I mean. Here, I have a 3-component assembly. You can access the whole series by going to the Insert drop-down menu, Assembly Feature, Whole Series, or by clicking on the Whole Series icon found on the Assembly Command Manager. The Whole Series Property Manager appears, and these first 4 tabs are used to specify the whole's parameters. The first tab is to specify the whole's position, followed by the whole's first part, middle parts, and last part. This 5th tab is an extra tab used for smart fasteners, so keep in mind that it's only available if the Solidworks toolbox is active. I'll be defining the whole Now, in case you're wondering, deleting the whole series from the assembly will cause these in-context features to be deleted from all components.